Hello everyone. Today we're going to compare Trade Republic and Trade 212, two popular online brokerage platforms. So Trade Republic is a commission-free investment platform offering a simple mobile interface for trading stocks, ETFs, and derivatives, primarily focused on the European market. While Trading 212 is a user-friendly platform that provides commission-free stock and ETF trading, as well as a practice mode and access to a wide range of global markets. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, performance, customer support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to create an account on Trade Republic and Trading 212, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you can also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now let's go directly to the features comparison. So let's talk about core offerings. So when we talk about Trade Republic, they are primarily focused on stock and ETF investing. For Trading 212, they are also focused on stock, ETF, and CFD trading with access to forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. For investment options, Trade Republic have stocks, ETFs, and saving plans and bonds, as I said earlier. While Trading 212, they have also stocks, ETFs, CFDs, forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. For fractional shares, so Trade Republic, they have available for stocks and ETFs for fractional shares. Same thing with Trading 212. And for auto invest and savings plans, so Trade Republic, they offer saving plans with automated investments, while Trading 212, they allow settings up auto investments for fractional shares. So for the leverage trading, so Trade Republic not available, while Trading 212, they have it on CFDs with various leverage options. And for mobile apps, so Trade Republic, they have intuitive user-friendly mobile app focuses on long-term investing, while Trading 212, they have a feature-rich application supporting stock, ETF, and CFD trading. And for desktop platforms, so Trade Republic have no desktop platform and they have only mobile app. For Trading 212, they have a desktop platforms and also a mobile platform, which is good. And lastly, for target audience, so Trade Republic, they have a long-term investors looking for simplicity and low fees. And for Trading 212, their target audience is the traders who want access to a wide range of trading platforms or trading options, including CFDs. So that's it for the features comparison. So now let's go directly to the pricing. So for account fees, so both Trading 212 and Trade Republic have free accounts, so you don't need to pay for making an account. For stock and ETF trading fees, so Trade Republic requires a 1 cents or €1 per trade. And for Trading 212, they have free stock and ETF trading, so which means zero commission. For CFD trading fees, Trade Republic doesn't have any CFD trading function, while Trading 202 have a spread-based, no commission, but carries overnight fees. Lastly, for Forex or commodity fees, so same thing again, they don't have, for Trade Republic, they don't have any Forex or commodity trading, so that they don't have any fees for that. So for Trading 212, they have spread-based fees for CFDs on Forex and commodities. Lead to the performance. So when we talk about withdrawal fees, so Trade Republic and Trading 212 have a free withdrawal. So you don't have to pay for when you are withdrawing your funds. So when we talk about deposit fees, so Trade Republic is free, so you don't have any fees when you depositing your money to your bank. So same thing with Trading 212. But they have fees for credit or debit cards and other payment methods. So for example, when we talk about currency conversion fees, so Trade Republic have no currency conversion fees within the Eurozone, while Trading 212, they have 0.15% fee for currency conversion. So now we're done with the pricing. So now let's go directly to performance. So when we talk about the execution speed, so Trade Republic have fast execution on stock and ETF orders. Same thing with Trading 212, but they have fast execution on both stocks and CFDs. So for the platform stability, so Trade Republic is very stable with an easy to navigate mobile phone interface. And for Trading 212, they are highly stable. They have a highly stable platform, especially on the desktop version. For data and analytics, so Trade Republic have basic data and research tool, mainly focused on long-term investing, while Trading 212 have rich analytics, charts, and research tools for both long-term and short-term traders. For order types, so Trade Republic have market limit and stop orders available, while Trading 212 they have market limit stop, trailing stop orders, etc. for both stocks and CFDs. So that's it for the performance between Trade Republic and Trading 212. So now let's go directly to the customer support. So for support channels, Trade Republic have email support and in-app chat support, while Trading 212 same thing. They have phone support, in-app chat support, and email support. For response time, so Trade Republic have relatively quick response time, but mostly relies on email. While Trading 212, they have fast response via an app chat and email. So for availability, so Trade Republic have limited support during certain hours, while Trading 212, they have 24/5 customer support for trading and related queries. So for knowledge base, Trade Republic have comprehensive fact section and tutorials, while Trading 212 have extensive fact tutorials and educational resources available online. So that's it for the customer support comparison. So now we're done with the features, pricing, performance, and customer support comparison. Now let's go directly to pros and cons. So let's talk about Trade Republic pros and cons. So when we talk about pros, Trade Republic is simple and a low-cost platform aimed at long-term investors. They offers fractional shares and saving plans for automating investments. They have low trading fees, so $1 or one euro dollars per trade, making it a cost-effective fees. And lastly, they have no fees for account maintenance, deposit, or withdrawals within the eurozone. When we talk about the cons, Trade Republic have limited to stock, ETFs, and bonds, no options for forex, CFDs, or cryptocurrencies. They are only available in a few European countries, which is sad. They have no desktop platform, and mobile-only interface may be limiting for some users. And lastly, they have basic data and research tool compared to more advanced trading platforms. So that's it for the Trade Republic pros and cons. So now let's go directly to Trading 212 pros and cons. So when we talk about pros, Trading 212 have zero commission stock and ETF tradings. They have access to a wider range of assets, including CFDs, forex and commodities, and cryptocurrencies. They offer a desktop platform in addition to mobile. And lastly, their fractional shares and auto invest, they have it in their platform. So when we talk about the cons, Trading 212 CFD trading carries risk due to leverage and overnight fees. The currency conversion fees for non-USD, Euro, and British pound trades. And some users reports the app being more focused on short-term trading, which may not suit long-term investors. And lastly, inactivity fees for CFD accounts, they have that if not used for a period of time. So that's it for the Trading 212 pros and cons. So now we're done with the pros and cons. Now let's go directly to which platform is the best for you. So let's start by discussing who should choose Trade Republic. So Trade Republic is referable for someone who is looking for a long-term investment in stocks and ETFs with minimal fees, and someone who wants a straightforward user-friendly mobile app, someone in Europe who wants to avoid currency conversion fees within the Eurozone, and lastly, someone who doesn't need advanced analytics and is focused on saving through automated plans. So if you have all of these qualities right here, Trade Republic is the choice for you. And for the people who should choose Trading 212, Trading 212 is referable for someone who wants access to a broader range of assets, including CFDs and Forex, someone interested in zero commission stocks and ETF trading with a wide variety of options, someone who values both mobile and desktop trading platforms, and someone who are seeking advanced charting tools and more active trading experience. So if you have all of these qualities right here, Trading 212 is the choice for you. And that's it. So in conclusion, both platforms, so Trade Republic is an excellent platform for long-term investors focused on stocks and ETFs who want low fees and simple interface. And on the other hand, Trading 212 offers a more diverse range of assets, including CFDs, Forex, and cryptocurrency, making it ideal for more active traders. While both platforms provide zero commission trading, the choice between the two comes down to your investment style. Whether you prefer simplicity and long-term savings with Trade Republic or a feature-rich platform with extensive trading options via Trading 212. So that's it. So if you found this comparison helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more insights on investment platforms. Let us know in the comments whether you're choosing Trade Republic or Trading 212. So with that being said, the comparison is over and I hope this comparison helps you choose the correct option. And also that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.